Hi and welcome to Solar FPV. My name is Anas and welcome back to the channel. If you're new subscriber, please subscribe down below and hit the annotation bell so you get all the info on when I post videos. I post about 2 or 3 videos a week. At least I've been trying to do that this year, and I'm really loving doing this. I love sitting here and doing these reviews and doing the flight footage. It's become kind of a big part of my hobby to actually make content as well as be in the hobby. Um, yeah, today we're going to be looking at a USB charger that I found. I found it on Wish, actually. Yes, believe it or not, Wish has still got some parts for drones and things like that, and it's actually quite a good place to shop for it. In case, excuse me while I have my coffee, it's early here. It's actually a really good place to check for drone parts, props, and all kinds of stuff. Some things that have gone out that you can't find on Banggood anymore, you can still find on Wish, like these props. What else? Or these kind of props, if you're still using these. I am. I've got a few brushed quads still that are still flying, that are pretty amazing. But yeah, let's dive into this USB charger. If you remember, I've been in the hobby for a long time. Then you will remember these chargers. These are the multi-chargers that has a USB. Charge 6 LiPos, 1S, not up to high voltage, but they charge pretty fast, these ones. Not the optimal charger for your batteries, but a very good solution for these small batteries. They don't last very many cycles anyway. So, I tend to use these. I still use these. I love using these. I use it mainly for these type of batteries here from the machine. But I got a new charger, and let's take a look at it. It's quite a smart charger, because this is the first one I've seen as a USB charger that can charge 1S and 2S LiPo, high voltage as well. This is the U5 cell USB charger. Let's open up the package. There's not really much in here. It's obviously made in China, and this is what it looks like with all its splendor. So you got these are like for 1S, so I can charge 3 1S batteries or 2 2S batteries. So that's kind of your possibility with this charger. Everything looks really neat and nice and nicely soldered on. I don't know why there's some white stuff on these things, but that could just be part of the production. It's got a little casing on the back to protect the underside of the thing, and yeah, there's not really much to say about it. It's just a charger. The only new little function of this USB charger is that you can charge 2S LiPos from it, but it will charge them through the balance cable and not through the actual power cable. So you have to be, that's not the optimal way of charging, but it is a way to balance charge them. So normally we'd be using something like this, a proper LiPo balance charger. This is the IMAX B6 with the Dean's cable, but I've got some. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. This one, you plug in your battery and the balance, and then it charges that way. This one doesn't. This one just charges with the balance cable. Yeah. So, but anyway, I think it's a pretty cool product. This is something you can take with you. Let me give you an example of what you could do with this. So, if you've got a power bank, I just had to go and get this. If you've got a power bank like this, then you can plug it in to the power bank, and then you could charge your LiPos like that. Okay, so let's just take one of my new batteries that I did in the last video. I've done all my batteries now with the XT30. I converted all of the JST red wired ones. You can see that in the previous video I uploaded. And so I've got all these now, which is just absolutely great. So what you would do is you just plug it in. Oh, it timed out. I think that's because this one is timed out. So you go like that, and then it just starts charging with the balance cable, and it's set to not to high voltage, just to normal. Um, so yeah, that's pretty neat. You can charge two at a time, and you can use a power bank to do it. So you could do it in the field. This is pretty cool. I might actually want to buy another one so I could charge more at a time. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more content, and spread the channel, please. It really helps me when you subscribe and hit the annotation bell. It also helps promote the channel when you comment down below, so please comment down below. And yeah, I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee and get to work, basically, because it's a beautiful day and I have a lot of stuff I want to do in the garden. So yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and fly hard. Cheers.